Alright guys, in this chapter we'll be building search bar over here. Alright, so let's go to our page product, and here to the top we'll be building search bar. So let's first of all build horizontal stack, and then let's give it a little bit of style. So it should be like that. Let's remove wrap, just wrap, and then put justify space between. Let's remove this one and keep MB as 4 margin bottom. And of that we'll be building search bar, right? So it's actually input component from Chakra UI. So let's search for input. Let's go down and search for our component. So I think this one should work fine, right? There's icon and there's input, or maybe this one will be more better, right? So we'll just copy this one, right? But because we already have one in our GitHub repo, we'll just copy it from there, right? And then see what we're doing over here, right? So let's just say left search, and then right is going to be sorting, right? But we are just working for search in this chapter. So let's paste input group, and let's first of all see if it's working out, right? But before that, we need to import this input group, input element, input from Chakra UI React, right? And then let's first of all see, and then we'll understand what we're doing, right? So search is not defined. Inline, let's see the line number. First of all, let's open up console and then remove this, and then it's actually 108, right? So let's go for 108, and they can see search. So let's import it from Lucid React. All right, and now it should work fine, right? Now let's see first of all if it's working, if it's working or not, right? So let's search for something, watch. So as you can see in the network, it's actually q equals watch, right? So it's working. Let's go for bag, and they can see it's actually working. Q equals bag, so it's actually hitting the request. So here, this is the icon, right? The left one is icon, and then we have this input over here. There's a placeholder, there's value, there's search state we have made, right? And then they set search, and in on chains we're setting search either target value, right? And then we have border radius, BZ, shadow, right? And then there's transition, right? So when we focus on it, you can see the width increasing. There's the transition, and we have width over there, right? And then we have focus, where we have done this border color and etc., right? Right. And that's it. In our next chapter, we'll be working on sorting and pagination.